Hi everyone, we're Allie and Holly. After watching countless hours of people traveling and living their best lives, we thought, why couldn't we do this ourselves? We're excited to see where this journey takes us. Come along with us on a one-way ticket.
Hi everyone, for today's vlog we are going to be going into the desert. Today we're going to be going dune bashing, trying out Arabic food, and also be riding a camel. So this road is called Camel Road, and 9 times out of 10 there should be camels on this road, so here's hoping, fingers crossed, we see some. It's like the scene from Jurassic Park when the T-Rexes are right next to the car. And that is why this road is called Camel Road. So you saw 3 camels and a donkey today.
Yeah, I've never seen a donkey on Camel Road before.
Crazy things happen when you start recording.
Yeah.
So we have just met our guide. His name is Maher. How's it going? Good?
Perfect.
And we're sitting in his car and he's going to be taking us deep into the desert. What's the desert called?
Al-Badair Desert.
Al-Badair Desert.
One of the most best deserts of the UAE.
Are we going to get stuck?
No, I don't think so.
Is it going to be a good ride?
Of course, yeah.
He's one of the best drivers. He knows how to drive in the dunes. He's not going to get us stuck. Okay, so we just made it out into the desert, and right now our guide is deflating the tires so that it's easier for him to drive once we get on the dunes and once we start dune bashing.
So this desert that he's brought us to is different because it's one of the very few deserts that has red sand, and I think he said that there's only 2 places in the world that has this kind of special red sand. So we're pretty excited. Right, tires have been deflated. Maya's just getting ready right now. Camera is set. I've also put the GoPro on the bonnet.
Oh, no.
Hopefully I don't lose that.
Oh, no.
And we're ready to go. Whoa!
My arms and everything. So beautiful.
Oh my god. Oh. So that was what, 10 minutes of hard dune bashing? How do you feel?
That was amazing. I love it. There were so many times where it looks like you're just gonna go up a sand wall and that it's impossible to go over it, but he goes over it anyway.
Snare suicidal, but it's fun, man.
My legs are shaking right now because you really have to brace yourself. So I had my legs like in a locked position, my arms where I was holding onto my seatbelt, because if not, you're gonna fly all around. beautiful out here, and the sand is such a beautiful red color.
So we reached the peak of the dunes, and literally all you can see for miles and miles and miles is red sand everywhere.
It is so hot outside. My face is just melting, and when we stepped outside to touch the sand, I'm wearing shoes and the sand was burning my feet. That's how hot it is.
We've been in the dunes for the last 45 minutes and we've had a good time.
And now that the sun is starting to set, we don't want to get stuck out here in the dark, so we are making our way back to the desert camp. Okay, so we just made it to the desert camp after the dune bashing, and we are about to ride a camel and get some henna tattoos. I don't know if I can actually do this, Whoa! Yeah, I'm good.
How is it?
Good. I've never ridden a camel sideways before. So it's a bumpy ride, but I think it's kind of fun to sit sideways like this. I've never tried it before. Might be my new camel riding style. This is gonna be the hard part. This part's always fun. That was an easy one. You did good. There.
Okay, boss. So Holly's now gonna go get some henna done.
Henna. So here's my henna tattoo. And now we are going to eat, so I'm gonna explain to you what we have for dinner. Okay, for the starters, we have hummus, falafel, samosa, and pita bread. For the main course, we have salad, spaghetti, fish and chicken, and rice. This is a yogurt sauce with lentil soup.
So I've just finished up eating and the show's over. It's a pretty long day and now it's time to head back. For today's vlog we are going to go into the desert. We're going to go dune boarding. No, we're not. Are we? No, it's not dune boarding, is it?
Dune bashing.
Dune bashing. And now they're in front of us. Great.
This one, he's just still right here.
What did you do?
Didn't do anything. Uh-oh. The camera just decided to do some sort of weird swivel. Not really sure what's happening.
We're ready to go. Maya, are you ready?
No, I'm not ready.
So stay tuned for more